Hi guys, me again, Brummy here. Now I thought I'd do a quick video. This is a short video really, just to sort of recap on the Invergordon walkthrough that I did on the murals a few weeks ago. Now this is Invergordon Railway Station, and this has got some interesting murals in as well, and I thought this was well worth doing a quick video on. The first mural that we look at as we go through, now it's a very old Victorian station. As you can see, you've got the long goodbye. Now what I'll do, I'll focus in on the information, then it tells you all about it. Remember, you can follow the mural trail by clicking on these QR code apps at the bottom there of all the mural descriptions. But there we go, isn't that fantastic? Again, look at the detail in that one. That's the long goodbye. And then if I just pan round, it tells you a little bit there about the artist. The long goodbye, Tracy Slough, 2007. And then I'll pan round to this side. Again, it continues across here, but the detail is absolutely beautiful. It really is. Now again, we've got some more information on this one, the long goodbye. So again, I'll focus in on that one. There we go, you can have a read of that. Now I'll just go through to the main station itself, because this is very old. It's a Victorian station. I'm not sure of the age. And the trains from here run to Inverness on this side on platform 1. But again, as we walk down, we've got all these details here on these murals. There we go, there's a couple there. Not sure what they're doing. I'll leave that one to your imagination. Now, doesn't this take you back in time? It really does. Now, this ticket office isn't used anymore, but they've painted the murals on the wall. So it's now about midday, but the next train to Inverness is 16:10. So yeah, it's a long wait for that one. They're not too regular. And then just as I pan round, just coming to the end of the platform here, you'll see the bowling green here in Invergordon. A well kept bowling green, that one. And we'll walk back down the platform and we'll go and check out the murals on the other side. But look at the architecture here. I'm glad they've kept the building, to be honest. I mean, they could have easily knocked this down and replaced it with some modern one, but no, they've kept it. Now, you can't buy tickets here anymore. What you have to do, you have to come here, jump on the train and then buy the tickets off the conductor. So this is the other side now. We're just going past the long goodbye again. Reuse, recycle, repair. Well, that must be an anti-smoking one. And there we go, just coming to the end of platform 1 now. And we've got this guy just waiting for his train. There we go. So isn't that fantastic? Invergordon Railway Station. Now that's part of the mural trail, so check out the main video. Walk through Invergordon, because that'll show you some of the others. And they're all part of this mural trail here in Invergordon. So that was just a quick video just to show you what we missed on the last one. I'll just go back up to the main bit again, the long goodbye. But if you are in this way, if you are in Inverness, pop out to Invergordon and take a look at this. It is well worth it. But the detail on the murals, as I keep saying, is incredible. Look at that one there. So there we go, folks, just a quick video to finish off the mural trail. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed it, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free to do that. And press the little bell button for any notifications. So until the next time, I'll see you all again very soon.